Hello and good morning, team. I just thought I'd make this very short video to just go over some things about the Capstone project. I know a couple people had questions. Again, this is in week 1 where we're working on course design, planning, and menu structure. Now, we do have some instructions about what the Capstone project is all about when you go into your course shell. And we've even given you some examples, so I recommend you watch the videos. But when you come in here and you look at the guidelines, it tells you exactly what to expect from the Capstone project. So you will have a Word document come up with these instructions as to what you will complete in your Capstone. Now, the main question I've had is, what is the Capstone course shell? Well, we did create some sandboxes, we call them sandboxes, inside your institution in Blackboard. So for example, if you log into Blackboard, your Blackboard, this is my Blackboard, and you log into and you go to your institution, you should be able to find your Capstone project under Spring of 2021. Sometimes this is hidden right here in this little menu item here. If you click on it, you should be able to go into that menu and make sure you highlight what semester you want to be showing. So just keep that in mind to have that checkbox on there. Now for your sandbox, if you go to Spring of 2021 and you go into your sandbox, the way we've named it is you have OCDC 902 Capstone Sandbox, and it tells you your name. So everyone, I happen to have this because I'm logged into I'm enrolled into each of your sandboxes, so I'm able to view your sandbox. But it is just a shell, a typical course shell that if you I've gone into ANTS, it's just a course shell like any regular Blackboard course shell that you will be able to go in and create or design your own course. So the Capstone project is basically you doing a course design. Now this is not for reals, but this is a great starting point to learn how to design a course. And again, under the guidelines, we've included a rubric on exactly how this will be graded, or this particular capstone will be graded. Now, as you all are aware, we are also using the Quality Matters rubric as our foundation in the course design. Now, the first thing we will be looking for are the learning objectives, which is basically what you will be doing as the first thing when you design. You have to create measurable learning objectives, and we've given you exactly things to help you, or resources to help you meet that goal. Next, maybe this will come up in week 2 or week 3, but as you go throughout the 4 weeks of this accelerated course, you will need to go ahead and create or add any of these into your sandbox or your Capstone project course. So for the assessments, you will make sure you follow these instructions when creating an assessment. For example, if you're creating a quiz, make sure that the quiz measure the stated learning objectives that you stated. So just the same way. Next, we will look into the instructional materials, and then the learning activities. Same thing, make sure you follow the instructions, the technology, the organization, and the layout. So that's just a tidbit of exactly what this Capstone project is all about. I know it sounds like it's a complex thing, but it's actually you designing your own course. And this is kind of what we wanted to cement in the very first week of course design, is the planning and the structure of that particular class. So again, let me know if you have questions, but I thought I would do this very short video to demonstrate exactly what you should expect in this first Capstone project.